Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell about ISRO's upcoming missions. Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO's headquarters is in Bengaluru. It was founded by Vikram Sarabhai on 15th August 1969. Most launches take place in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. ISRO has launched 123 spacecrafts till now. These are ISRO's 10 upcoming missions: RISAT-1A, Aditya L1, Gaganyaan-1, Chandrayaan-3, Gaganyaan-2, NISAR, Gaganyaan-3, Shukrayaan-1, Lunar Polar Exploration Mission, and Mangalyaan-2. RISAT-1A. RISAT means Radar Imaging Satellite. Satellite mass 1858 kg, which is 4096 pounds. It will be launched in September 2021, that is next month. Mission duration 5 years. Aditya L1. Aditya L1 is going to study the solar corona. Satellite mass 1500 kg, which is 3300 pounds. It will be launched in January 2022. Mission duration 177.86 days. Gaganyaan-1. Gaganyaan-1's capsule will orbit the Earth at 400 km altitude for up to 7 days with a 2 or 3% crew on board. Satellite mass 3735 kg, which is 8234 pounds. It will be launched in June 2022. Mission duration 7 days. It is going to be the first manned mission of India. Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 is going to be the mission repeat of Chandrayaan-2. It will attempt a soft landing on lunar surface. It will be launched in the third quarter of 2022. Satellite mass and image not specified. Gaganyaan-2, another manned mission for India. It will be launched in 2022 to 2023 period. Capsule mass and image not specified. NISAR, NASA and ISRO's Synthetic Aperture Radar Satellite. Mass 2800 kg, which is 6200 pounds. It will be launched in January 2023. Gaganyaan-3, third manned mission for India, will be launched in 2023. Shukrayaan-1. Shukrayaan is a mission to Venus to study its atmosphere. Will be launched in December 2024. Lunar Polar Exploration Mission. It is a collaboration mission between Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency and ISRO that would send a lunar rover and a lander to explore the South Pole region of the Moon. It will be launched in 2024. Mangalyaan-2. Mangalyaan-2 contains only of an orbiter. It will be launched in 2024. Jai Hind. Thank you.